been a lot of excitement surrounding Mustang dynamometers at this year's PRI, so it's time to head outside and find out what all the fuss is about. So I found the man responsible for all the excitement out here, Mike Rhodes from Mustang Dynamometer. Mate, tell us, what's this all about?
Well, today what we're doing, we've got a couple new products that we're out here displaying. First and foremost, obviously, is our portable all-wheel drive system. Second is going to be our virtual drag racing simulator, which is going to give customers the capability to simulate eighth mile and quarter mile drag racing right from the comfort of the dyno.
So when you got a race car and you're wanting to do testing and you choose the Mustang Dynamometer, what are the benefits?
Numerous, actually. You can do real-world simulations on our dyno. You can simulate certain experiences on the dyno that you can't do anywhere else. Climbing hills, doing quarter-mile simulations, eighth-mile simulations, acceleration testing, road load simulations. What you can do is pretty much, infinite. That's going to be very useful for tuners, very useful for people doing any kind of diagnostic work, as opposed to having to do it out on the streets. They can save themselves a lot of time and possibly a lot of insurance money by being able to do it right on the dyno.
It sounds like a pretty sophisticated piece of equipment, and it must be some sophisticated software as well.
Yeah, absolutely. We employ a full group of engineers from software, mechanical, electrical, all in-house.
Well, up on the dyno today, of course, you're turning a lot of heads with the Camaro up there. It sounds wonderful.
Yeah, absolutely. We definitely wanted to bring something this year to the show that was going to grab some attention and turn some heads, and I think we did so pretty well.
So we found the man responsible for this amazing software, Doug Oren from Car Sim. Mate, how did this all come about?
Well, I'm with Mechanical Simulation. We developed car sim, truck sim, and bike sim software used for vehicle dynamic simulation. We're used by the OEMs around the world, about 30 OEMs, including GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda. They validate our simulation results to actual proving ground test data so they can develop cars quickly. We're taking those capabilities and putting some of them working with Mustang Dynamometer so that they can provide the capabilities of car sim on their chassis dyno test equipment.
So the fact that the OEM manufacturers are using this just says how good this software is.
Right. It's been validated for over 10 years by all of these OEMs as well as the universities and research companies.
So we're here with Paul Myers from Torq, the company in charge of building this beautiful Camaro behind me, mate. Thanks for taking some time to talk to us. What made you decide to come out here with Mustang Dynamometer?
We've been a long-time customer of Mustang Dynamometer, and they're great guys. They asked us, could you bring some of the cars that you have built to really showcase the product that we're offering, and their product is fantastic. So we figured, of course we're going to support you. You support us by building a great product.
How did they help you develop this car?
They helped us develop this car because with the loading capabilities of a Mustang Dyno, you're able to load the vehicle like it would be on the street, so you can do accurate quarter mile simulations, 0 to 60, 200-yard roll-ons, and of course the numbers with a Mustang Dyno are truly accurate. So when you tune the car on a Mustang Dyno, it's being tuned properly as if it would on the street, and of course it's in the safety of your shop. You have nothing to worry about.
So I guess that helps as a car builder as opposed to taking it out on the street.
Of course, it's a much safer operation, and we know that our tuning is a lot more accurate because of Mustang Dyno's ability to provide a product like they do to us.
John, as a user, why did you choose Mustang dynamometers over others?
The drag racing end of this thing is awesome. I mean, we draw a huge crowd with that potential of this thing, and the ability to be able to tune vehicles, inside the shop and actually make a road simulated tune, as if we'd been out on the road, doing some very dangerous things. We can do that right inside the shop, legally and safely. And that yields an accurate tune that we don't even have to go on the road and test anymore.
If you want any more information about anything you've seen in this video, just head to the website mustangdyne.com.